The TESL department at Concordia University is currently working on a TESL Resource Center. You'll find resources, links, and other important documents that will help guide you throughout the program and after you graduate. The center will provide you with details about the program overview, as well as course information, exceptional student work samples, and a bank of online teacher resources. You will also find our new mentoring program, which offers support to post-TESL graduates with lessons, teaching materials, and tools. Additionally, there will be a podcast section that provides insights from the community, as well as success stories and exclusive teacher and faculty interviews. In the future, the TESL Center will work on developing an editorial section where you'll find awesome expertise, news, and articles that offer relevant teaching information. How great is that? The essentials you need all in one place. You'll be able to connect from anywhere using your phone, computer, or tablet to chat with other TESL members on Facebook. All this coming soon. We got you.